Hi guys, I am Dulno Anesi Grace from Math 2A and I will present chapter 2.1 number 19. We will find the following: 2a plus b, 3b minus a, ab, and ba with the given a, 2, negative 2, 4, 1, 0, 3 for row 1, negative 1, 4, 2, negative 2, negative 1, 3 for row 2, 3, negative 3, 1, 2, 3, negative 4 for row 3, 2, negative 1, 3, 0, 1, 2 for row 4, 5, 1, negative 2, negative 4, 1, 3 for row 5, 2, 2, 3, negative 4, negative 1, negative 2 for row 6. And B have an elements of 1, 2, negative 3, 4, 1, 2 for row 1, 2, negative 3, 1, 3, negative 1, 2 for row 2, 0, negative 2, negative 3, 0, 1, negative 1 for row 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, negative 1 for row 4, 2, negative 1, negative 3, 0, 4, 1 for row 5, 1, negative 2, 4, negative 2, negative 4, negative 1 for row 6. Basically, these matrices are 6 by 6 matrices. To find letter A, which is 2a plus b, we will multiply 2 to the elements of A, which are shown on the screen. So basically, we will multiply 2 in each elements of A, resulting 2 times 2 is equal to 4, 2 times negative 2 is equal to negative 4, 2 times 4 is equal to 8, 2 times 1 is equal to 2, 2 times 0 is equal to 0, 2 times 3 is equal to 6 for row 1, and the same process goes for row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, and row 6 until we get the value of 2a. Next, we will add the matrix 2a to the matrix of B, just like on the screen. 2a plus b is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, negative 4 plus 2 is equal to negative 2, 8 plus negative 3 is equal to 5, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, and so on. Therefore, 2a plus b is equal to the matrix of 5, negative 2, 5, 6, 1, 8, 0, 5, 5, 1, negative 3, 8, 6, negative 8, negative 1, 4, 7, negative 9, 5, 0, 9, 2, 3, 3, 12, 1, negative 7, negative 8, 6, 8, 5, 2, 10, negative 10, negative 6, negative 5 from row 1 to row 6. Next, we will find the matrix of 3b minus a. First thing to do is to multiply 3 to all the elements of b, just like on the screen, and on how we multiply 2a just like before. So 3 multiplied by b is equal to 3 times 1 is equal to 3, 3 times 2 is equal to 6, 3 times negative 3 is equal to 12, 3 times 1 is equal to 3, and 3 times 2 is equal to 6 for row 1, and the same goes to get row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, and row 6. Now, we have the value of 3b. Next, we will subtract the matrix of 3b to the matrix of A. And we will get 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 6 minus negative 2 is equal to 8. Negative 9 minus 4 is equal to negative 13. 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 for row 1, and so on. Now we have the matrix 3b minus A, which is shown on the screen. 1, 8, negative 13, 11, 3, 3 for row 1, 7, negative 13, 1, 11, negative 2, 3 for row 2, negative 3, negative 3, negative 10, negative 2, 0, 1 for row 3, 1, 7, 6, 6, 2, negative 5 for row 4, 1, negative 4, negative 7, 4, 11, 3 for row 5, 1, negative 8, 9, negative 2, negative 11, negative 1 for row 6. In finding letter C, which we need to multiply A to B, we have the matrix of A multiplied by the matrix of B. But as you can see, I put different colors to every column of B to separate each on the other and to easily follow the steps, as well as to avoid confusions later on. So column 1 we have blue, column 2 yellow, column 3 yellow-green, column 4 orange, column 5 light green, and column 6 purple. We were gonna solve the product of AB by column. So first, to find the column 1 of AB, we need to make column 1 of B horizontally to match row 1 of A, so that we can multiply each corresponding column, then add them to have R1 C1. Just like on the screen, which we multiply row 1 by the first column of B. So 2 times 1 plus negative 2 times 2 plus 4 times 0 plus 1 times 1 plus 0 times 2 plus 3 times 1. The same process goes to find R2 C1, R3 C1, R4 C1, R5 C1, R6 C1. So when we add the product of each element, we will have 2, 6, 1, 4, 8, and negative 2 for our column 1. Now we have column 1. We need to find column 2 next. With the same process, we need to make column 2 of B horizontally to match row 1 of A, so that we can multiply each corresponding column, then add them to have row 1, column 2, just like on the screen, and proceed to other rows. So our column 2 will be negative 2, negative 27, 22, negative 4, negative 4, and negative 11. Now we have column 1 and column 2. With the same process, we will multiply the column 3 of B to each rows of A, just like on the screen. And we have the value of RC3, which are negative 5, 10, negative 34, negative 11, negative 11, and negative 30. Now that we have column 1, column 2, column 3, we will proceed to find column 4 with the same process. But now we will multiply the element of A to column 4 of B, resulting negative 2, negative 2, 15, 1, 9, and 10 for column 4. There we have C1, C2, C3, and C4. Now we find for our column 5. With the same process goes, we will multiply the elements of A to column 5 of B, resulting negative 3, negative 21, 37, 2, negative 10, and 3 for the column 5. Now we are almost complete. We have column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and column 5. Last but not the least, we will find column 6. We will multiply matrix A to column 6 of B, just like on the screen, resulting negative 8, 1, 7, negative 1, 17, and 9, the value of our column 6. Finally, we have the value of column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, and column 6. We have completed 6 columns with 6 rows. And this is now the product of A and B. How about D, wherein we will multiply B to A. We have the matrix of B multiplied by the matrix of A. As you can see, we also put different colors to every column of A to separate each on the other and to easily follow the steps, as well as to avoid confusions later on. We will solve the product of BA by column, just like how we solve letter C. So first, we find the column 1 of BA. We need to make column 1 of A horizontally to match the row 1 of B, so that we can multiply each corresponding column, then add them to have row 1, column 1, as it is shown on the screen. Then follow these steps for row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, and row 6, resulting 8, 15, negative 4, 16, 20, and negative 10 for the value of our row 1. Now that we have the value of column 1, we will proceed to find the column 2. We will multiply each element of B to the column 2 of A, as it is shown on the screen, resulting 16, negative 19, 0, negative 6, 9, and negative 26. Now we have column 1 and column 2. We will proceed to find column 3. With the same process, we will multiply the column 3 of A to each element of B, just as it's shown on the screen, resulting 21, 20, negative 12, 12, 1, and 3 for the value of our column 3. Now that we do have column 1, column 2, and column 3, we will proceed to column 4. So with the same process, we will multiply the column 4 to the elements of B, resulting negative 21, 6, negative 2, 3, negative 26, and 33 for the value of our column 4. There we have C1, C2, C3, and C4. Now we will proceed to find C5, which is the column 5. With the same process, we will multiply column 5 of A to the elements of B as it is shown on the screen, resulting negative 8, 6, negative 5, 11, 6, and 9. Now we are almost done. We have column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and column 5. Lastly, we will find the column 6. So with the same process, we will multiply the column 6 of A to all the elements of B as it is shown on the screen, resulting 28, negative 8, 11, 6, 23, and negative 33 for the value of our column 6. Finally, we have the value of column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, and column 6. We have completed 6 columns with 6 rows. And this is now the product of B and A, which is different to the product of A and B. We can use matrix calculator software to confirm or to check if our answers are correct. Here are some sites that you can use. Matrix Calculator eMath Help. This site will provide you different operations in solving matrices with steps. Next, Matrix Calculator. This site perform matrix operations on 1 or 2 matrices. Next, Matrix Calculator. This site perform matrix operations and very convenient because it can solve multi-operation like 2A plus B. So visit now. Here I use matrix calculator which can solve multi-operation like 2A plus B to check my answers. So first, go to any search engine and type matrix calculator on the search bar to begin searching. Then click the underscore matrix calculator on the screen. Input the given matrices just like what I've done. Type what operation you are finding. I type 2A plus B. The site will provide you the answer, the red box. And I have checked my answers. That's all. Thank you.